Okay. So page number 57, we are dealing with that the rules of marriages. Okay. The process, the important things that are going on during this time, हम वो पढ़ रहे थे कि marriages किस समय से या किस type से होते थे. So there are 4 type of marriages that was performed. First is endogamy. Do you know what is endogamy? I have told you about this. Hmm. So endogamy, where the marriage was done uh, inside your group or a caste or a same locality, that is your endogamy. Then you have exogamy, when a person marriage is outside the place of their relatives, caste or group. जब वो अपने समाज से बाहर निकल के शादी करते हैं, that is known as exogamy. Then you have a polygamy. Polygamy means number of marriages done by a male. Okay, अगर इसको याद करना है, there is a polygamy, तो G is for gentleman. I told you about this. So when a man practice a number of several marriages, okay, or a man having number of wives, then this process or this marriage is known as polygamy. What is polyandry? Polyandry is where wife have number of husbands. ठीक है, जब उनके नंबर ऑफ हस्बैंड्स होते हैं, देन दैट सिचुएशन इज नोन एज योर पॉलीएंड्री. कैन यू टेल मी एनी एग्जाम्पल रिलेटेड टू द पॉलीएंड्री, a woman having a several husband? So now we will look upon the next page. Come to the page number 58. Here it is written about that, come to line, these were meant to be the followed by the Brahmins in particular and the rest of the society in general. So this was created by your Brahmins, and we all know that Brahmins always make a rules for the kings and the subject कि हमें क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. This is all done by the Brahmins. So during 500 BCE, these norms were compiled in the Sanskrit text known as the धर्मसूत्रास, धर्मशास्त्रास. तो जितने भी रूल्स ऑफ मैरिजेस बताए गए हैं बच्चे, वो सारी चीज़ें किस में लिखी गई हैं? एक मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट है, आप अंडरलाइन कर लीजिए बच्चे, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि 500 BCE के टाइम the 3 books was or 3 manuscripts were written. First is Dharmasutra, Dharmasastra, and the most important work is done in manuscript, was compiled between 200 BCE to 200 CE. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि मैरिजेस के बारे में कौन सी संस्कृत बुक्स में लिखा है, तो आपका आंसर होना चाहिए धर्मसूत्रास, धर्मशास्त्रास एंड मनुस्मृति. ठीक है, इसमें आपके 8 मैरिजेस के बारे में बताया गया है. जो फर्स्ट 4 मैरिजेस हैं उसको एक्सेप्ट किया गया है, एंड लास्ट के जो 4 हैं उसको इतना एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं मिली है. अंडरस्टूड?